99% of data scientists fail this NumPy file I/O quiz. Which NumPy function is specifically designed to handle data sets with missing values natively? In nump.loadtxt, which parameter allows you to ignore the first row containing column names? When using NumPy.genfromtxt, how do you specify that the file uses commas to separate values? What is the default missing value placeholder for float arrays when using NumPy.genfromtxt? Which parameter in NumPy.genfromtxt tells NumPy to infer the data type of each column automatically? If you set names equals true in NumPy.genfromtxt, what type of array does the function return? How can you replace missing values with a specific number like -9999 in NumPy.genfromtxt? What will NumPy.loadtxt do by default if it encounters an empty value in a numeric dataset? In NumPy.genfromtxt, what does setting the parameter useMask equals true achieve? Which parameter in NumPy.loadtxt allows you to read only the first and third columns of a dataset? If your dataset has both a header and a footer to ignore, which NumPy.genfromtxt parameter should you use? How can you define specific string placeholders like n/a as missing data in NumPy.genfromtxt? What is the default delimiter used by NumPy.loadtxt if you do not specify one? In NumPy.genfromtxt, how can you assign different filling values for missing data in different columns? What happens in NumPy.genfromtxt if a row has fewer columns than the rest of the dataset? Which parameter allows you to unpack columns into separate variables when using NumPy.loadtxt? When reading a file with NumPy.genfromtxt, how can you handle lines starting with a comment character like a hashtag? If you want to skip the first 3 lines of a file using NumPy.genfromtxt, what is the correct syntax? What behavior does NumPy.genfromtxt exhibit when missing underscore values is set, but filling underscore values is not? Why might you choose NumPy.loadtxt over NumPy.genfromtxt for a perfectly clean numeric dataset?